Let's learn how to change the background color on an Instagram story. If you want to change the background color but don't know how, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Instagram is updated, and you should do this in the App Store. If it is updated, we can start. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once you've opened Instagram, you'll be on the home page. From there, you need to swipe the screen to the right with your finger. Once you've done that, the page where you can take or record stories will open. When you're on that page, you need to click on the Create option, which is located in the middle left of the screen and has two letters A next to it. When you click on that option, a background color will appear. To change it, you need to click on the circle located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Keep clicking the circle until you reach the color you want for your story, and that's it. That was the tutorial on how to change the background color on an Instagram story. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.